For this video, I will discuss about combined variation. So the statement z varies directly as x and inversely as y means z equals k times x over y, or k equals z times y over x, where k is the constant of variation. Let's have some examples here. Number 1, if x varies directly as y and inversely as z, and x equals 9 when y equals 6 and z equals 2, find the value of k and the equation of variation. So we're going to find the value of k, the constant of variation, and its equation. So x varies directly as x and inversely as z. So we're going to have x equals k times y over z. Or if we're going to have this one in terms of k, we're going to have this one as k equals x times z over y. Now, since we're going to find the value of k, so we're going to use this one. K equals x times z over y. Then this will be equal to x equals 9, so 9, and z equals 2, so times 2, over the value of y, which is 6. Then this is equal to 9 times 2 is 18 over 6, and 18 over 6 is equal to 3. So the value of k here is 3. So 3 is the constant of variation. Now if we're going to have the equation of variation, we're going to use this one. X equals k times y over z. So substituting the value of k, we're going to have x equals 3 times y over z. This is now the equation of variation. Then example number 2, a varies directly as b and inversely as c. If a equals 8 when b equals 12 and c equals 6, find a when b equals 14 and c equals 8. So here a varies directly as b. So we're going to have a equals k times b. Then inversely as c, so over c. Then substituting the values of the given here, a equals to 8. Then equals k times b, which is 12. Then over c, which is 6. Then 12 over 6 is 2. So we're going to have here 8 equals k times 2. And finding for the value of k, k here would be equal to 8 divided by 2. And that will be 4. So the constant of variation, or k, is equal to 4. Now we're going to find here the value of a when b equals 14 and c equals 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the value of k, the value of b, and the value of c to find a. So we're going to use this one. A equals k times b over c. So a here will be equal to k is 4, then b equals 14 over c, which is 8. So a here will be equal to 4 and 8 is divisible by 4. So this is 4 divided by 4, 1. Then this is 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then 14 divided by 2, that will be 7. So a is equal to 7 when b equals 14 and c equals 8. So I hope this video helped you, and see you next time.